Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope you're hearing me well now because last time the volume was too low. Did you like my Sakura cap? And lately I've been taking some translation tests. I've actually been doing some paid jobs as well, and yeah, I've been a little busier than usual, but I will do my best to keep up uploading videos consistently because consistency is power. There's a saying in Japanese that says that Keizo wa chikara nari, consistency is power, something like that. And well, today I'm going to talk about the courses I've done. I've never done a formal translation course teaching how to translate from English to Portuguese. No, I've only done so far courses about how the market works, course teaching you how to better promote yourself, create a brand, and things like that. And I'm going to share them with you today. So let's go. So I just said I was going to record those videos and I've actually recorded them, but I'm not going to use them because I've just realized one thing. I've taken 3 courses for beginner translators. If you're a beginner, I don't think that there is much of a variety of stuff that you should be doing. There's the practical stuff that you should do. If there's a course for a beginner translator, of course they're going to teach you that. So all of them, they actually talk about the same stuff. I was actually trying to explain what those courses were about, but in the end they had the same essence, they had the same goal. And that's why I couldn't have a variety of things to talk about. And what instead I wish I had done is I wish someone told me to be more patient and do one course at a time because I was in a bit of a rush, to be honest, and I was doing all the 3 courses at the same time. I would fast forward all the videos and I would try to apply everything at once, which it doesn't really work well. But at the same time, I don't regret having taken all of those 3 courses because, well, knowledge is knowledge, and some of them will focus on a different side of the translation market. Some of them is going to focus on how to better promote yourself. Some of them is going to focus on how to organize yourself better. And yeah, I recommend all of the 3. I'm going to leave them down below so you can see for yourself which one sounds better for you. And yeah, that's it. I don't think there is anything else to say, but regarding the specialized translation courses, for example, I want to take a game translation specialized course because I think it is important to know the theory behind what you're working with. And so you can have a kind of a base knowledge to help you better instead of just going to try and start translating stuff. And yeah, it works, you're going to get good with time, but you can also specialize yourself to make sure that you're committing the least amount of mistakes as possible. And I hope it does make sense. Yeah, if you can recommend to me any good course about games translation, be it for international translators or for English to Portuguese translators, feel free to tell me. I would find that really useful. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'm going to see you on the next one.